Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. I've got a 2025 Honda Type R full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Comes with a 10-year written guarantee. The installation's covered by us here at Clearbrow, North Dallas for the length of time you own the car, so your parts and labor are covered. On this vehicle, we also tinted it with the Xpel XR Plus in 55%. You'll see it's a lighter shade of smoke color. And I'm gonna take you a walk around this car so I can show you all the areas we wrapped all the edges, removed the spoiler type thing like that, removed our handles so we have no lines. So mirrors came off as well, but we'll cover all that. Let's start here at the hood. The first thing we did, besides removing these pieces, the first thing up was a decon. This thing had more iron in the paint, the clear coat from the trains, the brakes on the trains, and from the ships and whatever. I got a full decon and all the iron came out of this paint. There's no little orange and black specks. It's perfectly clear and it looks fantastic. The vent here, we took that out, no problem there, so we can wrap underneath it so there's no edge. All the edges on the hood are fully wrapped in. On this front bolster of the bumper, fully wrapped in. The bumper's fully wrapped all the way around 100%. Our fender, where the hood and all that meets, fully wrapped in, no lines. Everything's 100% on this car. Fully wrapped all these corners. Mirror came out, not a big deal. So everything's underneath. Nothing's gonna peel. You wipe this car off, you don't have to worry about hitting your edges. Our roof line, tucked underneath this rubber nicely, up against here nicely. Everything's wrapped inside the door. You'll see to here. Coming down to our rockers, everything's wrapped up into here. Doors are wrapped, all four edges. These came off, the door handles came out. The door for the fueling is 100% wrapped, and the quarter panel is wrapped inside. So no edges anywhere. Taillights came out, so we can wrap in here 100%. The under the hatch here, just two 10mm nuts took off the spoiler, so there's no lines anywhere outside of this. Being a white car, we want to make sure there's no edges at all. Everything's wrapped underneath these lights. Medallion came off, Type R went back on. The word Civic over here is in his vehicle. He didn't want that on. It looks good just with Type R. More of the same work over here. All these edges are wrapped in 100%. Underneath here, everything's in 100%. Nice and clear, no lines, no debris. This car had a heck of a decon, and then we polished it. Much more of the handles underneath, no lines in here. And everything looks fantastic. So there it is, Clearbrow, North Dallas, clearbrownorthdallas.com. Our Gmail is clearbrownorthdallas@gmail. There's the full wrap with Xpel Ultimate Plus. Anything you need, feel free to give us a call, 214-414-3809. I'm Brent, cell 940-703-8301. Thanks for watching and take care.